Hi, welcome to Step by Step Farming. I'm Yvonne. Today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you the best water filtration system I have ever used. Stay tuned. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining. Today, I want to show you this water filtration system. This is not just any water filtration system. This is called a Berkey Water Filtration System. And I want to really share this with you because this is probably the best water filtration system I have ever used. This is our personal Berkey system. We have actually had this for over 10 years. And I really stand by this product. So let me go ahead and explain a little bit about this. Not all water is created equal. So you would think that the water bottles, distillers, purification systems that you screw onto your water faucets, they're all going to produce the same thing. And that is not true. This is a Berkey system. It is a vertical Berkey system, and it's a standalone, which means you do not need electricity. You do not have to plug it in. You do not need running water. It is all gravity fed. It's a super easy storage system, but there's two chambers. You have a lid, and you also have an upper chamber and a lower chamber. And the way that this works is that you would pour your water, like your tap water, into this top filter or this top chamber. Now inside there are two filters, and they're charcoal. So if you all know anything about charcoal, it does take out toxins. But it comes with two filters, and what happens is you put the water into the top chamber, and then it basically gravity feeds through the charcoal filters into this bottom chamber. And this bottom chamber, let me show you, it just basically is an empty chamber, and this is where all the purified water flows into. And of course, there is a spout that comes along with that. Now, like I said, we've had ours for over 10 years, and I've tried distillers. I've tried the water, filtration systems that you put your tap water in and it filters soon you put in your refrigerator. I've tried the kind that you screw on to your tap of your water faucet, bottled waters, but nothing really compares to this system. Why is this one different from everything else? Well, I'm going to explain. This Berkey system has been tried and true, laboratory tested over years, and it will filter out 99.999% of bacteria and viruses. We're talking about arsenic, we're talking about chlorine, E. coli, and even pharmaceutical contaminants that is in our drinking water every day. Not only that, but let me see here. It will also filter out 97% fluoride. And if you all know anything about fluoride is very harmful to the body as well. Now, you do have to purchase the fluoride filters. So you have these charcoal chambers. You can purchase 4, but it comes with 2. And if you purchase the fluoride filters, this does not have it, but you would basically screw that onto the bottom. So the water would actually flow from the top chamber, and then it would flow through the fluoride filters and into your bottom chamber as well. This has been, you can filter out, you can use creek water, you can use lake or pond water, and you can even, in emergency purposes, you can use water from a pool, and you can also use a hot tub water. Now that's pretty serious, because you think about if there's some type of natural disaster or emergency where you have to have water, then you want to have a system that 100% sure will filter out all those bad contaminants, so you and your family can have the water that you need to be able to survive. Let me share with you a little bit about this. This is called a big Berkey. So this actually is about 2.25 gallons container. And now they do have different sizes. They have smaller traveling sizes and they have larger sizes as well. This is the one that we have. Now the filter, it comes with 2 filters. Like I said, each filter will filter out 3,000 gallons of water. So since it comes with 2, let's do the math. It's going to filter out at least 6,000 gallons of water. Now for this size we have, it's probably roughly for about a 1 to 4 person family. But if you were to do the math, you're talking about, if you purchase this system, you can use 6,000 gallons of water. So if you buy water from the store, I bought water from just gallon jugs. That's at least 99 cents a gallon. Okay, let's do the math here. 6,000 gallons of water, and you can buy a gallon of water from the store for 99 cents. That's a lot of money. So not only is this water better for you, I mean, it tastes so much better. It tastes way better than distilled water, better than the water you get from the store, bottled water. I mean, I'm talking about, this is probably the best water that I've ever had, honestly. And I wouldn't have had this for as long as I have if I really did not believe that. But not only is it better water, but it will totally save you money. So roughly 6,000 gallons of water, it's probably comes out to about 2 cents a gallon. And so it's definitely a money saver as well. So let's also talk about some disadvantages. So some people may feel like the disadvantage to this, because I want to be honest in the review of this system. So it is big. It's, like I said, it's vertical, so it may be too tall to sit underneath of a cabinet. For us, that's not really an issue because we know the benefits of it, so we just put it somewhere else. But for some, it could be a disadvantage. But if you're interested, like I said, just put it somewhere away, separate, somewhere in your kitchen or somewhere where everyone could get to it. Another disadvantage that some people may feel is that you have to continually fill it over and over again. Well, you don't have to fill it as much. So what we do is at nighttime, we will fill the Berkey up at night. It takes roughly about maybe 30, 35 minutes for it to filter from the top chamber to the bottom chamber. But we'll fill it up at night, so that way when we get up in the morning, it's completely full. And we may have to, fill it up a couple of times in the day, which is not a problem. After about 6,000 gallons of water, that depending on how much water you drink, because see, we use water for not only our drinking, but also for our cooking as well. So for some people, depends on the amount of people in your family. For this size, this could last you a year or so before you actually have to replace the filters. Now, another thing that some people may feel is a disadvantage is you may periodically have to clean it, which is not a big deal, but I still want to put it out there. You just take the filters off and you just get one of those green Scotch scrub pads or something, and you can kind of clean the outside, because you are talking about hard water buildup, and you just clean it. You put it back in here, screw it back in, and the water flows right through like it was brand new. So for some people that could be a disadvantage. But it's not really a disadvantage for us. Like I said, it is stainless steel. It is an easy storage. So if you want to store it away, you just take the lid off. You can flip it upside down and you just put it in here. Now these won't, be sticking up. I'm just showing you while I have it. And then the lid just fits right on top, and you can just take it with you. If you need to take it with you in the car, you can. If you're going hiking, you can take it, store it away with you that way. You can, or camping, you can take it that way if you want to make sure that you have some good, clean drinking water. So it is easy storage. Now, if you purchase this, it will come with 2 filters, and it comes with like a plastic spout. I did purchase a stainless steel spout. So they do have stainless steel spouts that you can buy. Also, you can purchase a stand. So it has like a a stand that's probably about that high. You can put it on, and that will give you easier access to put the cups and things underneath of that. And like I said, if you wanted to purchase some fluoride filters, those are extra, which is not a big deal. But the benefits of it is totally, you save money, is huge. Not only that, it is incredible as far as the water is very clean and you can taste the difference. It's good for prepping. For those of you who are wanting to prep and just kind of make sure you're prepared for emergencies or anything like that, it's very good for that. And now I'm going to put a link down below. Now, I'll just put a disclaimer out. I am an affiliate with Berkey, but I am not paid to do this video. I totally believe in this product. This product is something that, like I said, our family have used for years, and I really recommend this to a lot of my friends to get. If you do click on the link and you do purchase, I do get a small commission. It just goes to help to support the channel. But even if you decide not to purchase with the link below, I do really strongly recommend this product to people. I'm telling you, it is probably the best thing that I've ever bought. And it's very durable. I've never had any problems with it at all. So if you guys have any questions or comments, if you all have purchased Berkeys, if you have any questions about the Berkey, please post them below. I will be putting more videos out on this product, just showing you other different things about it. But I really appreciate your time. Thanks for joining and have a great day.